If you're wondering which flagship 360 camera handles thermal stress better during long, demanding 8K recording sessions, this test gives us a definitive answer. We put the Insta360 X6 and the DJI Osmo 360 head-to-head to see how hot they get after extended recording. Before firing them up in a controlled room temperature of 28.1 degrees Celsius, baseline measurements showed virtually no difference. Both hovered right around 32 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius on their screens and backs. But once we locked them into 8K at 30 frames per second panoramic mode, the results diverged dramatically. After just 12 to 13 minutes of continuous 8K recording, the thermal gap became impossible to ignore. Insta360 X6 reached 41 degrees Celsius on the screen and 46.8 degrees Celsius on the back. DJI Osmo 360 ran significantly hotter, hitting 46.4 degrees Celsius on the screen and surging to a blistering 54.5 degrees Celsius on the back panel. Based on this test, the DJI Osmo 360 generates noticeably more heat under sustained workloads, whereas the Insta360 X6 maintains a much cooler profile during extended high-resolution capture. Both models represent the peak of modern consumer 360 cameras, but they approach the user experience completely differently. Let's start with DJI's distinct advantages. First is price and value. The standard package comes in considerably cheaper than the Insta360 competitor, while packing a generous bundle of accessories like a storage case and lens protection. Second, DJI crushes it with internal storage, offering roughly 105 gigabytes of usable onboard space. Cross-compatibility is another massive win. Its batteries and quick-release ecosystem tie seamlessly into existing DJI action gear. However, DJI has clear weaknesses. The biggest drawback is heat management. As our stress test proved, long recording sessions make the body uncomfortably hot to the touch. Furthermore, DJI currently lacks direct cloud storage backup support out of the box. Now, let's flip over to the Insta360 X6. Its standout superpower is thermal efficiency. Even after running continuous logs for over an hour during intensive field tests, it never reached uncomfortably hot thresholds. The X6 also shines in creative versatility. Paired with tracking tools like the Luna head tracking module in single lens mode, it acts like a dynamic, automated virtual camera crew. It also supports direct cloud video uploads, though it requires a paid subscription. On the downside, the X6 stumbles in a few areas. Pricing is steep, putting it at the top end of the market, yet the included accessories in the standard box feel surprisingly basic. Additionally, internal storage is restricted to around 47 gigabytes of usable space, less than half of what DJI provides. So, which camera wins? If you want massive onboard storage, aggressive pricing, and deep ecosystem compatibility, and you don't mind managing your continuous recording lengths, the DJI Osmo 360 is an incredible piece of hardware. But if your workflow demands flawless thermal management for long-form shoots, advanced tracking modes, and seamless cloud integrations, the Insta360 X6 justifies its premium cost. Which of these two 360 heavyweights would you trust for your next shoot? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.